Welcome to Kunzy in English, the podcast for English learners. Listen, learn, and improve your English gently. Hello, dear English learners. I'm truly happy that you're here with me today. Take a moment to relax. Make yourself a cup of tea or coffee. This is your time. Find a cozy place and let this be a moment of peace. You don't need to take notes right now. Just listen. Just relax and let English flow into your ears. You've already done enough. So how was your day today? Was there anything that made you smile? Let me ask you this. How long have you been learning English? 2 months? 3 years? Feel free to share in the comments if you'd like. And what is your native language? We have so many learners here from different beautiful cultures. And I feel truly honored to be speaking to you today. Now, this episode will be a little different. No repeating, no speaking practice, just listening. This is a brain break, but a meaningful one. Whether you're just starting or you've been learning English for years, your journey matters. You are not slow. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel that? This moment belongs to you. Today, we're going to practice something simple but powerful. We're going to train your listening skill. Now, you might be wondering, if I'm not repeating or speaking today, am I really learning anything? The answer is absolutely yes, because listening is a superpower. It trains your ear for rhythm, for pronunciation, for understanding, without pressure, without stress. Speaking is like a workout for your brain, but listening is how your brain learns to dance with the language. So today, give your brain a gift. Let it breathe, let it absorb, let it connect the sounds. What happens next might surprise you. Today, we're going to explore 5 amazing tools that can help you learn English more easily, more effectively, and more enjoyably. All of these tools are either free or beginner-friendly. They're used every day by millions of students, teachers, and even language experts. And the best part, you can start using them right after this podcast. Google Translate. Your pocket-sized learning companion. Google Translate is more than just a dictionary. Try typing a full English sentence, then translate it into your native language. You'll understand the context better, learn sentence structure, and pick up new vocabulary. Don't forget to tap the speaker icon to hear the pronunciation. Repeat after the voice. This is a great way to practice speaking more naturally. Google Translate isn't perfect, but it's a reliable assistant that's always ready to help you. Grammarly. Write English with more confidence and clarity. Want to write emails, journals, or homework in English without the fear of making mistakes? Grammarly is your silent guide. Each day, try writing 3 to 5 simple English sentences, then paste them into Grammarly to check for any errors. First, review your own writing. Then let Grammarly help you spot and explain the mistakes. This process helps you understand where you go wrong and how to fix it. Grammarly doesn't just correct your writing, it's just it. It helps you learn from your mistakes. Microsoft Immersive Reader. Read slowly, clearly, with audio support. Do your eyes get tired or your mind wander when reading in English? Immersive Reader can help with that. It allows you to enlarge the text, space out the lines, and highlight the sentence you're currently reading. You can also listen to a clear English voice reading the text aloud, so you can read and listen at the same time. It's especially helpful when reading class notes, a web page, or a short story. Perfect for times when you want to learn in a calm and easy way, but still make progress. Kindle App with Word Wise. Read English books without interruptions. Love reading stories but constantly stopping to check the dictionary? Word Wise is a smart feature in the Kindle app. It shows simple definitions right above difficult words, like having helpful notes built into the book. You can keep reading without breaking your flow or losing interest. Start with easy English books written for learners. Just 1 page a day can help you remember vocabulary better and make learning more enjoyable. YouTube. Learn English through videos, the smart way. YouTube isn't just for fun. It's also a huge resource for learning English. Here's a great way to improve your listening skills. First, watch the video with English subtitles to understand the content. Then, watch it again without subtitles and see how much you understand. You can also write down the dialogue to practice your writing. Use slow playback mode to hear each word and sentence clearly. And don't forget to create playlists of your favorite channels or teachers. Learning English through YouTube is relaxing and helps you absorb the language naturally. And finally, remember this. You don't need to use all 5 tools at the same time. Just choose one tool you enjoy and use it consistently every day. You're not learning English to be perfect. You're learning to understand, to connect, and to expand your world. You might be thinking, I want to learn really fast. I'm falling behind. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Learning a language is not a race. There's no one holding the flag waiting for you at the finish line, and no one is counting your steps to judge you. Language isn't about being better than others. It's the bridge that helps you connect, understand, and expand your world. And that bridge is built with small steps one day at a time. Trying to learn too quickly, too much, can make you exhausted and lead you to quit. But if you choose one tool you enjoy and spend just 5 to 10 minutes a day, you'll see progress coming naturally and steadily. The small consistency today is the great strength of tomorrow. Perfection is not the goal. Just keep going. As long as you don't stop, you are learning, you are moving forward, you are building a future you'll be proud of, and you deserve it. The 5 tools we covered today are: Google Translate, helps understand and practice pronunciation; Grammarly, write more accurately in English; Microsoft Immersive Reader, read easily and hear each line; Kindle App Word Wise, read English books without getting discouraged; YouTube, practice listening, pronunciation, and vocabulary daily. You are not learning alone. You are making progress, even if it's slow. Every step you take has value. You are building a new life with skills, confidence, and new dreams. I'm really proud of you. See you in the next episode, and remember, you are enough. You are making progress. You deserve to be proud of yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming episodes. Wishing you a fun and productive learning day.